Nowadays everything is being delivered at home. You go to Amazon, you have everything at home. You have Ola, you have Uber, everything at home. So obviously the demands are growing with development, with science and technology being developed. So we have got a concept called home IUI, home intrauterine insemination, a do-it-yourself kit technique. In this you will be provided all the things in whatever you require for the home IUI, and it can be done by only those patients who are fit for this procedure that your fertility specialist will decide. You are given a semen container that is totally sterile. You have to take it out from the pouches, and the husband has to collect the semen in this container. For the semen collection, the husband has to have minimum gap of 2 to 6 days, 2 days minimum and 6 days maximum. Plus the semen should not be collected in a condom, or any lubricant should not be used. After collecting it, you put the cap again and you keep it for 30 minutes at room temperature. No AC should be on, and it should not be very like the heated temperature. It should not be like 40-45 degree temperature. So it has to be at room temperature, normal room temperature. After that, a conical tube is provided with media in it. Then you liquefy, you just mix the semen sample like this, so you have to do it. After that, you pick up the semen sample from here and you put it inside this tube. This media will process it on its own and you leave it for 15 minutes. When it processes it itself, the semen comes up by swim up technique, and you have got a IUI catheter and a BD syringe. You connect both these together. You do it tightly. Then you pick up the sample from up. You take around 0.5 ml of sample. You put it here around 10 minutes. And after that, you can inseminate it yourself in the vagina. Either yourself or your husband can inseminate it directly. So this is a home IUI kit. It is a do-it-yourself technique. This you can do in the vicinity of your house, and you will feel much relaxed. You will avoid all the embarrassment and all the time that you are using at the infertility center.